Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer, and I got some great news here. We have what is an edamame sprout. There. So far we got 3 coming out of the ground, which is good. Oh, there's another one. 4. So I have them in this really mulched out soil, pretty organic underneath it there, because it's been receiving organic material in this location for years. So and it's between one palm and the other, and it gets about a good chunk of the morning sunlight. So hopefully these things produce something for us this year. I'm really eager to see if I can successfully grow edamame, which is basically just a soybean, here in zone 9B/10A border. Stay tuned, folks, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these edamame sprouts. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.